everyone.
Hi guys. Welcome back to our channel. आज हम निकल चुके हैं नागालैंड दर्शन पे ऑलरेडी. फर्स्ट डे गोइंग आउट टू एक्सप्लोर नागालैंड. हम जा रहे हैं कोहिमा और खोनुमा और सिलिगी. मम्मी भी साथ है हमारे साथ. मैं तो वैसे पहले कोहिमा और खोनुमा घूम चुका हूँ. खोनुमा इज सो ब्यूटीफुल, अमेजिंग.
We are going back again.
We're going back again, and that's also during Hornbill, so I'm expecting like a lot of crowd. But let's see. Ziligi is first time. Instagram पे बहुत सारी reels देखे Ziligi, so I decided why not to go to Ziligi as well. So we are going to Ziligi as well from there. So let's explore Khonoma and Ziligi.
Yeah, so keep watching. Guys, it's so foggy. कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है. निमेश ठंड लग रहा है.
बहुत ठंड है. ये वो मेरे को कहाँ लेके आ गई. अच्छा खासा बैठा था.
पर अच्छा लग रहा है ना.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है guys. It's so fresh, so refreshing. बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. बहुत सुबह 6 बजे निकल गए हम. 6 बजे 8 बजे उठने वाला आदमी 6 बजे गाड़ी चला रहा है. So guys, ये हमारा first stop. We'll have our breakfast here. The food street. Last time जब आए थे तब भी हमने ही breakfast किया था. ये मोंगो मम्मी. बहुत भूख लग रही है. Look at the greenery यार, एकदम sharp, इतना clear दिख रहा है ना. Guys, वो restaurant तो बंद था. But we came this very cute Naga Thali restaurant, and the shopkeepers are very sweet. You know, they knew us right after we got in. They recognized us. So very sweet of them. And they have a very good menu for breakfast. पूरी सब्जी यहाँ पे है और omelette and चाय वाय सब कुछ है. It's a very cute shop with a good view.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's like छोला भटूरे. है ना?
पूरी सब्जी.
पूरी का साइज गाइस भटूरे जैसा देखो. एकदम भटूरे के साइज की पूरी है गाइस और साथ में आलू छोले की सब्जी. Smells so good. गरम आसे.
अच्छा है ना.
बहुत टेस्टी है. Very tasty. Very simple food. It's like absolutely homemade. कोई फालतू का चीज़ नहीं है. आ रहा मजा मम्मी नागालैंड की पूरी सब्जी खा के. मम्मी गाइस अकुनी वाली सब्जी खाना चाहती हैं. अकुनी और बैम्बू शूट के लिए.
अकुनी की तो खाई है. कल खाया था ना वही मम्मी जो काट रही थी
ना. अकुनी तो उसमें
अकुनी था ना.
वो अकुनी नहीं था.
अच्छा.
मम्मी को गाइस अकुनी और बैम्बू शूट खिलाना है मेरे को. वेरी टेस्टी. हाँ फूड बहुत अच्छा था. वेरी नाइस. चले टेक केयर बाय. Guys, this shop was very nice. We really had good food. बड़े रेस्टोरेंट में तो बहुत लोग आते हैं guys. ये छोटा सा रेस्टोरेंट बहुत क्यूट है, बहुत स्वीट है. Try their food. Very simple food. Because when we come to Nagaland, we especially come for the simplicity. And I really love their food. It was very, very tasty. बहुत simple था, बहुत अच्छा था. And the way they serve with a smile. So definitely when you are going towards Kohima from Dimapur, check out this small place.
Nakatali do tate puri pi shi soft aru sabji bi iman mitha ase to kan bi idu par kurishi bole yate try kuri bi de puri sabji pi shi pala se cha bi pi shi tasty ase.
Nagadhali. It's right next to this big one, the food street. पहुंच गए गाइस हम अपने एक रिलेटिव के यहाँ पर ओकुलानू का सिस्टर का घर. So her son will be taking us, will be our tour guide for today. Tia. And look at Kohima. It's not like our hill station, it's very different because it's a capital of Nagaland, so it's very full, so many people around. Hi Tia, salam. So he's Tia, he'll be our tour guide for today.
Come for now, just sit down.
Guys, जो मम्मी के अमों की मम्मी का बिल्ली है उसका बेबी है, छोटा बेबी. दीमापुर से इंपोर्ट किया हुआ है. The view guys from this cozy home, beautiful. And this will be our room for tonight. Hamangu, this will be our room for tonight.
Yes, so cozy.
Very cozy. Here. And हटो में एक बार व्यू भी दिखा दूं मैं. और ये यहाँ पे विंडो से व्यू. बड़े बड़े माल्टे है ना मैं. माल्टे लगे हुए हैं गाइस. This is pounded soybean tea. अच्छा.
Local tea.
This is local tea guys. Of
Help
Kohima.
yourself.
And see,
And smells really.
Smell.
And this is Among's favorite.
Yes.
Cupcake from local bakery. Smells really good.
Just try.
कितना अच्छा
Like
खुशबू आ रहा है.
Horlicks, but,
हाँ,
local-
it smells like Horlicks.
Local version.
ना? अच्छा लग रहा है.
It's nice.
ये खा के देखो. ये मेरा
Curry,
फेवरेट है.
full curry, नहीं curry.
व्यू देखो छोटा सा विंडो है कितना अमेजिंग व्यू है. And now we are off to Konoma. सुबह सुबह जाएगा. Everyone's right here. सब लोग आ रहे हैं. डेली स्टेयर्स चढ़ते हैं सब लोग, इसलिए बहुत फिट रहते हैं. When do you go to Konoma?
Konoma do na. Like Konoma and Zilakedo is like every year 2 times or 3 times to Jawa like ni jai. KSP thage or like we go to Zilakedo for camping na.
अच्छा okay.
Sleep over. To disconnect from people.
These days this lake is getting so famous
It's very
because of Instagram and all.
Yeah. But it's best to go for sleepover na. With all those.
Guys, while going to Konoma, we took a stop at this beautiful place.
मेरी फोटो क्लिक करना.
इतना सुंदर है. मम्मी तो फोटो स्टार्ट हो गया.
शूज पहन के जा सकते.
This one? No?
हाँ, beautiful flowers.
ओ यहाँ पे भी लगा. और ये देखिए मेरी फोटो क्लिक करना इसके उसके बीच में. हाँ ये तो कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. नीचे
So nice. और एक छोटा सा आंटी ने शॉप भी खोला हुआ है यहाँ पे.
But it did not happen. I think auntie wants to take a picture. Yeah. You have your phone.
वीडियो चल रही है मम्मी. क्या पोज दे खड़ी हो आप?
नहीं मेरे फोन से फीड फोटो भी अमन करना मेरे फोन से भी.
Look at the view guys, and we are not even Konoma yet. Konoma में और अच्छा व्यू मिलेगा हमें. ये छोटा सा स्पेस है यहाँ पे आराम से रिलैक्स करने के लिए. और यहाँ से आपको व्यू दिखाते हैं. 360 डिग्री व्यू. वाओ मैन, वाओ. So beautiful. इतना फ्रेश फील हो रहा है एकदम, इतना मज़ा आ रहा है. बहुत अमेजिंग. यहाँ के हिल्स, यहाँ के माउंटेन्स हमारे दिल्ली के आसपास के जो माउंटेन्स है शिमला एंड ऑल, मसूरी, उससे बहुत अच्छे हैं. रीज़न है फर्स्ट इज क्लीनिनेस. यह बहुत क्लीननेस है, बहुत ज़्यादा क्लीननेस है. इट इवन रिमाइंड्स टू मी लाइक सम पार्ट ऑफ स्विट्ज़रलैंड. जैसा स्विट्ज़रलैंड में क्लीनिनेस था वैसा ही कुछ है. और रोड्स बहुत अच्छे बने हुए हैं, बहुत amazing roads बने हुए हैं. And the way they take care of the place, keep their place clean, is commendable. Awesome. How they are keeping their culture alive. No, छोटा छोटा शॉप लगा के. अब पता नहीं यहाँ पे कितने टूरिस्ट आते हैं, but still यहाँ पे छोटी छोटी शॉप लोगों ने लगाई हुई है. Here, Mongo is right here, checking out their shop. देखो. खाने के लिए. और ये क्या बैम्बू शूट?
No, this is juice.
Gooseberry juice.
Gooseberry juice.
Gooseberry juice.
Guava
Gooseberry.
juice. And this one is ginger.
अच्छा, okay.
Sticky rice roti. Also rice fry, puffed rice.
Amla.
Gooseberry dried.
Oh, I like this.
अच्छा, dry gooseberry.
This one is puffed rice.
Mami, ये भी ले लो.
हेलो ना
So Among bought these two things.
कितने
Oh, nice.
Oh, no.
Thank you.
Yeah, here.
Yeah, that one is
Go.
ये देखो क्रिसमस ट्री यहाँ पे ऐसे ही लगा हुआ है, डेकोरेट करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. और यहाँ पे फेवरेट मैकडोवल के अंदर बैम्बू शूट.
the same thing, no?
Help make the first green village greener. What a message. चलो, let's go. Let's go to Khonoma.
ले ली ना इधर की सब मेरे को भी दे देना वीडियो
मम्मी वीडियो और फोटोज के लिए बहुत ज्यादा परेशान है, टेंशन में.
So let's go.
Let's go to
Khonoma.
After you get in the Khonoma gate, there is a small place for tourists where you can come and get a guide, so they can give you more information about the Khonoma, and also they will take you, to some local home to see how it is inside, how they live, everything. This is reception. रोड अभी जो खोनोमा पहुंचने का है is under construction, so we are doing a little bit of off-roading in our I-10 car, and there is Khonoma. We are going there. Next stop, Khonoma. And here we are, guys, at Khonoma. It's a very small village but very cute village. I'll show you around. We have just parked the car. Here's the registration counter, guys. And look at the refreshments. Wild apple juice, only 30 rupees. They're selling so many different stuff. So guys, he'll be our tour guide for today.
Yeah.
What's your name, brother?
Kiwi.
Kiwi. Okay. Hi, Kiwi. I'm Nimesh from Delhi. Last time when we came to Khonoma, this is where we had food, guys.
This cafe, cute cafe.
We'll come back
This
here
is-
for lunch.
Yeah.
I'll remind you.
Uk Cafe. We'll all have the food again today here only.
No, if anybody will need us.
No, it's okay.
It's okay, na?
Mummy, stick.
No.
Chala, let's go. This is first green village in Asia. Okay.
Okay, so let's make our first stop here.
Okay.
Olden days, this is the only entry and the exit point. So
Okay.
everybody in the village lives inside this village gate. But hornbill. So
Acha.
it represents a warrior. And last, this is the head of the Mithun.
Acha.
Yes, this is the head of the
This is the head of the
So it
Mithun.
represents unity.
Acha, okay.
So we have around 7 village gates, and this is one of the village gates. You can come and see the wooden door.
This is a village gate, guys. So earlier people used to use this village gate.
Yeah.
Here is the wooden gate.
So this can be open as well.
This gate could be open before. See, right here is the wooden gate. This gate could be open or get open or closed. 28, 5, 19, 29. Wow.
Yeah. One single wooden. Just one wooden.
It's a single wooden log piece. Wow. Let's go. And look at the homes here. Very small, cute. Mexican sunflowers. Wow.
Oh, we have residents here also. See.
हाँ यहाँ भी residence है guys नीचे.
It is in Angami Naga village. So it is an Angami tribe.
Okay.
So this village is about 600 years old. 600. Yeah.
Wow.
And it is described as a warrior village.
Warrior village.
So, in our local dialect, the Konoma, it is called Fanore.
Solore.
Fanore.
Fanore.
Yeah.
This is honesty shop here. A self-payment shop. The amount in money is all written. You just pick anything you want and you put the money here.
Small shop if you want to visit.
This is a small shop right here. Let's take some juice now from here. Hai na? And you can also rent dress here.
What's the difference between the color?
Yeah, this is the last year, and
Oh.
this one is this.
Oh, okay. If you want a stronger one, you take this. Yeah. Mild one, you take this.
I'll take the stronger one.
Stronger one. Let's just try one each.
I will take this.
We have already reached.
I will take this.
Strong, so mommy will take strong one.
Come, let's try.
Cheers. Local juice made of wild apples.
Maybe this my yours.
So refreshing.
And it's 10 rupees only.
Nah, yours is nothing. Yeah. Mine is strong.
You took mild one.
Yeah.
But it's okay. Even mild one is good.
Okay. Yeah.
Mild one is also good.
Mild one is also good.
Look at this. How they do
my
kheti.
God. It's so colorful now.
So nice.
ऊपर से वो बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है.
How many kills are the forest like
Forest is very dense. And so many flowers. Especially this. ये क्या था? कौन सा sunflower है? Mexican sunflower. How people have written their names.
This monument, it is a memorial of a British political officer. So he was shot dead from this village. So his name is Mr. James Berman.
Okay.
So he came to inspect this village because he got some news that this village was getting some supplies of immunization. So while he was entering the village from a village gate, like the down village gate that I showed you. So a guard standing there shot him dead. So he died from the spot.
Okay.
So he was killed on 14 October 1879.
Okay.
So after the death of their officer, the Britishers, they came for reinforcement. So it was in November, 22nd November 1879. So when they came for reinforcement, they burned down all our houses and even our crops. So we usually harvest in the month of October. So it was the time for harvesting. So they burned down all our crops. So we have to move up from this village. We could not stay since the Britishers, they came for reinforcement.
Nice.
Before the arrival of the Britishers, like not even a single, you know.
Guys, Khonama village. People are living right there. sitting in sunlight. This whole wall was built without any cement, no mud, just stones.
Are built without any cements.
Okay.
So during the olden days, the stones are brought from the rivers. Yeah. So since there were no vehicles, they used to carry up from the head.
Wow.
Yeah.
Mongu? On their head.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Sakat से सखत.
और यहाँ पे गाइस कोई रोको नाम का बहुत फेमस आदमी है. पेड़ पे नाम लिखा है रोको. रोको एंड कैनी. आपने सुनी होगी रोको और कैनी की लव स्टोरी तो.
No, we don't know. Yeah, it's love story.
क्रिसमस फ्लावर्स एवरीवेयर. हम कहाँ नकली क्रिसमस फ्लावर लगा रहे हैं अपने क्रिसमस ट्री पर, और यहाँ क्रिसमस फ्लावर्स भरे हुए हैं.
Look at the water system. They brought it from mountains, I think, na. Itu pani ko tuwa ne. Uto top mountain ba na Nodiwa.
So this is where all the water comes from the mountain, and then people get it from here like this. घर ले जा बोले water with this pipe. Look at that. How they're keeping the pumpkins.
I want also. The weaving unit is here, so we'll have a better conversation.
अच्छा wow yeah.
The weaving cutter and all, na. Oh, nice.
And this is how they make the shawls, the traditional shawls.
The mufflers and I think she's making muffler.
अच्छा like this.
And this is topi. This necklace too. Necklace tu mutam maki ini lakaw pa yan na so.
Mummy got this bag.
This is
दिखाओ मम्मी. Like में दिखाओ. Konoma bag just for 350, made by her.
so cute, na?
So cute.
It is.
What's your name? नाम क्या है आपका?
नाम क्या से?
नाम क्या से?
Caesar.
Thanks Te. Bye bye.
I don't know. Headbands.
Among took this from the cutest shopkeeper.
Yeah. She's so cute, yeah.
She's so cute.
This one. Wild apple.
Wild apple.
नाम क्या से?
Oh, Rabichino.
No.
Which you know?
So this one is your shop. Yes. Oh, so
Achha.
cute.
So cute.
How old are you? How old are you? I am 4 years.
You're 4 years old. Wow.
Oh, so nice. You made all these flowers. You made all these flowers. Wow, so nice.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. This is a small market in Konoma village. We'll take this one. $30 ना? 30 रुपये. Guys, मैं खाऊंगा. Among पे करेगी. Among is the one who handles money.
Oh my God! Don't say like that.
Very soft.
थोड़ा ना ऐसे
अच्छा है. अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है.
Good stuff. Really nice.
These are all handmade.
All handmade. She's making rose. Hello. Such a beautiful flowers, yeah. So creative.
You want to try sticky rice tea? Let's try.
Sticky rice tea? How? Why not? Yeah, let's try.
Let's try it. We will have 5 cups. Is it hot? We want to serve it hot, steam hot.
Okay.
5 cups.
Now we will try sticky.
Black sticky rice tea.
Wow, yeah, this mushroom looks so beautiful.
It's not
Strawberry.
Okay, black sticky rice. Black sticky rice.
Subscribe to your channel.
Oh, thank you, yeah. Yes. Thank you, yeah. Thank you so much.
Okay. Just to be here in Konoma.
YouTube channel.
Thank you so much, yeah.
my mother-in-law.
Okay.
Dinesh mother. Oh, thank you. Same to you.
Yeah, visited last time also, right?
Yes, we visited last year.
2023.
23, yes.
ऐसे करो फिर फोटो क्लिक करना सबकी ना.
Wow. That smells nice.
Oh, wow, yeah. It smells really nice. Iman bhala se,
Food late.
peshi bhala se.
Wow, so good. Thank you.
Wow.
Na?
Now it's a bouquet.
Bouquet as well as tablecloth.
It's a bag. Very cute bag.
Smaller one is 100.
Okay. Even these are really nice, Mom. I like this one as well.
100.
We can do multiple colors in this one.
And look, they have a leaf also.
Ito lobo. She's सुंदर है. होय होय. No, I guess 4 is enough.
Your wish? I think pink is better.
This one, no?
We'll also have to pay. What ye? Pay. Just picking it up and saying ye. We met our subscribers in Konoma. So for that, we have something for them.
For the subscribers.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. This is the second fort. Okay.
If you go up, you'll be able to see the last one.
Okay, great. The fiercest of battles were fought between the British and Nagas during 1850 to 79 in this Simoma Fort of Konoma. This fort was described as one of the strongest in the northeast by Major John Butler of the British Army. Wow. It's the history of Konoma. So nicely made.
The English inscription here.
It's okay. Since 1825. And this is the other side of Konoma. And that is the fort, that is the third fort, right? And that is the third fort. Right there. And guys, the series Family Man 3, उसमें जो actress है, she is from Konoma only. And I guess some of the shots were done here only, Hamung? थोड़ी shooting भी हुई थी यहाँ पे? अच्छा. Shooting भी हुई थी, guys. So our guide will take us there.
Even you watch that Anik movie, no?
हाँ, Anik.
movie that-
Even that Anik movie. उसका actress. आयुष्मान खुराना के opposite था.
I heard the story of this place. I think you will better explain it to us. Itu cakap lah story tu.
अम्मा धूप में आराम से सो रही है. धान सूख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, चावल. Uncle doing hard work. And look at the home, so beautiful, colorful. How they decorated with plants, flowers, so nice. है ना? हाँ ना, क्यूट शॉप है एकदम, मोंगले जैसा क्यूट,
वीडियो
मोंगले जैसा क्यूट एकदम.
so cute shop.
So cute shop, yes. Okay. These are real horns. असली है कौन? Oh, these are real horns, guys. Of bull. Mithun. Okay. Real horns of Mithun. Showcasing the guns. Showcasing Naga power.
That is actually a handmade gun.
अच्छा, handmade gun. Wow, यार. That's handmade gun.
After they dry the rice, na,
हाँ,
they will pound the rice here.
अच्छा,
And see, that's how they will segregate.
वाह यार.
Na? They will segregate this rice from the pounded
Waste.
waste. Yeah, waste. Yeah.
इसमें देखिए वो करते हैं ना, चावल निकालते हैं इसमें ऐसे कूट
Guys,
के
now the basket.
Machine.
Now they also have the machine.
चावल निकाल रहे हैं.
Now this is some kind of vegetable which looks like अमरूद. ये यहीं मिलता है. इसमें कांटा ही बहुत है. We call it squash. In English, it's called chayote. Chayote मुगु.
फिर
What is
जाएंगे
grandma
शाम
doing?
को इनके घर, फिर वहाँ से दोपहर में
He's getting ready to make something.
फिर होमली फेस्टिवल. देखो वहाँ पे क्या करें, देखो.
Another self-payment shop, guys. And here Among is buying something, but Among is not putting money.
No, I will.
Just kidding. What is this?
I don't know.
This one. Pitote badam is there. And it's just
It's like badam, huh?
Yeah, it's just badam.
Full of flowers. ये मैक्सिकन फ्लावर इतना सारा कैसे हो रहा है खोनोमा में? Mungu? Very happy Mungu did shopping from Khonoma. Very happy.
So cute.
So there was our guide, guys, Kiwi. He really did a great job. You know, gave us a lot of information about Khonoma. I came in 2023, but हम तो एक छोटा सा एरिया ही घूम के चले गए थे. But Kiwi ने हमें बहुत अच्छे से घुमाया. We really enjoyed a lot. We really saw a lot of new places in Khonoma, and this time though it was amazing. It was one of the best villages so far I have seen. So happy. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for visiting.
Really nice houses here. Really good place where you're living.
Yeah.
Amazing.
There's a mini library.
See the mini library there.
Oh, so cute.
And here, guys, look. She's like 90 years old and doing all the work. Since we came early, now look at the crowd. I'm glad that we came early. Last time जब मैं खोनोमा आया था 2023 में, there was not so many tourists at that time. Well, we also came after Hornbill, but look at the crowd now. अब ये लोग घूमेंगे और हम लोग खाना खाएंगे.
खाना खाएगा.
यहाँ पे हमारा favorite cafe in Khonoma. Don't really serve food, but since we have Tia, say hi. Since we have Tia, he asked them to cook food for us, and then they cook food for us. They keep it ready. So let's go in and have some food.
It's lunchtime.
It's lunchtime. This is our menu for the day. Rice, local rice. That's little reddish.
Dal.
If you can see it in the phone. That's dal,
Then that's chayote and pumpkin fry.
celery and pumpkin.
And then we have
There is
local
chicken,
We have
local
chicken.
chicken,
fresh
and
boiled,
then lettuce.
and then
Not lettuce.
chutney.
This is gobi.
Gobi butter,
And
cabbage.
then chutney.
Chutney. Wow, it's mouth watering.
So, dig in. Okay, so let's start the food. Here's my plate. And as usual, I will have food with hand.
This is my plate.
It's Khana time. Khana time. After which we will have some
Tia, Tia
local
ka
juice, local tea.
Mummy ka plate.
Look at my plate.
Tasty, tasty, I say. Very tasty. This chicken is local chicken with skin, which I really like. Very tasty. Okay guys, so now it's time to say bye to Konoma for this year. Until next time. Okay guys, so it's time to say bye to Konoma. Until next time. Now, next stop, Ziligi. I don't know how to pronounce Ziligi.
Siliki.
Ziligi.
See you next time, Konoma.
See you next time, Konoma. We really enjoyed this time though. It was an amazing experience. Really enjoyed a lot. Let's go to Ziligi. So guys, we are already on the way to Ziligi. And look at the road. The roads are really nice. It's like absolutely new. Painted also. And हम लोग चले जा रहे हैं काफी किलोमीटर और दूर दूर तक कोई गाड़ी भी नहीं आ रही है. It's like we are the only one on this road. बहुत मजा आ रहा है गाड़ी चलाने में, बहुत मजा आ रहा है. वेदर तो है ही नाइस. So really enjoying the weather. And this is the stop we took, guys, while going to Ziligi. Yes. Small shops. It's a viewpoint. Cute viewpoint. They are selling all these things, chota noodles and all. Guys, view. What a view from here. And here we are, guys, already in Ziligi village. People come here often for picnic. तो ये है गाइस ज़िले, इसमें कोई ऐसी जगह नहीं है स्पेशली जहाँ आप घूमने जाएं. इट्स ए विलेज विद वेरी लेस होम्स, बट इट्स जस्ट सो क्लीन, सो क्लियर. रोड्स आर रियली नाइस एंड द व्यू इज awesome, so beautiful. And see, here's another self-payment shop. You can even call someone using the phone. They've kept a phone here.
Where you will get network.
Acha, that's why they keep the phone here. Because in this village there is no network. Only the network is only here. That's why they kept the phone here, so you can call someone if you wish to. And look at that, how they are selling stuff. Aloo. Pumpkin. And then something here as well, I think. मम्मी मुर्गे का बच्चा लेके जाएंगे आज, कटवा के मानेंगे. काटेंगे मम्मी. दे दो यार, दे दो. नहीं रहने दो, भी कहीं और चले जाएंगे. It's been 10 to 15 minutes guys, हम यहाँ पे, बट अभी तक एक भी गाड़ी नहीं आई है. So clear and so beautiful. This is the actual life we should be living. Relaxed. शांति है गाइस, इतनी शांति है. So quiet. हम आगे शोर मचा रहे हैं. आंटी को उठा दिया.
घुमा से
आराम से आंटी सो रही थी. ये अमोंग ने शोर मचा के आंटी को उठा दिया. This is जिले के गाइस, a 360-degree view. And here is everyone. बहुत दूर दूर है देखो. ऐसा कोई पास घर नहीं है, सब लोग का घर बहुत दूर दूर है और यहाँ नेटवर्क भी नहीं है. So if one has to approach another one, he has to walk to their doorstep. Look at the view, look at the clarity, look at the peace. Hear the silence. No car, no traffic, no honking, nothing. Mungu want to say hi from Zuleke.
चिपकली का अंडा ऐसा.
Guys, I'm eating छिपकली का अंडा.
ये तो पता नहीं है.
अमोंग कह रही है इसको छिपकली का अंडा बोलते हैं. But actually में छिपकली का अंडा नहीं है. But that's what kids call it. छिपकली का अंडा. Right now we are going to the river stream. जिसके लिए हमें थोड़ा नीचे उतरना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे 2-3 होम स्टे भी है. And one of it is Tia's friends. This one is your friends?
Yeah,
Tia, acha.
this one.
This one is Tia friends. What's your friend name, Tia?
Apan.
This is
Village Boys homestay.
Apan's homestay.
So I think compared to other homestays here, it's quite affordable. You can always DM him. You'll get it in his Instagram page.
Right.
So like it has a kitchen, so upstairs bedroom. We have attached bathroom also.
Acha, okay, great.
Yeah, so nice.
So guys, it looks really nice and cozy also. So if you ever want to come to Zileke and you want to stay overnight, I'll leave the contact details in the description. You can definitely call him and book it in advance. And here is the river, guys. River stream. People come here often for picnic. यहाँ भी किसी का private residence है. So beautiful.
Ano ayaw bang nangyayari ito mo kung sito siya siya. I wanted this hotel room. So nice.
So clear. Water is very clear. Obviously ठंडा तो होगा.
So ठंडा. So fresh.
So this was us exploring Khonoma and Zileke. Two stunning villages, each beautiful and unique in its own special way.
We also met few of our viewers, which made us feel so loved and grateful.
Thank you for talking with us. It made us really happy.
If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button.
Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye-bye.